looks like it's my favorite person ever. You remember my name? Yep, Lee, the medical assistant. You got it right. I'm working front desk today and being a medical assistant. Crazy, right? Right, no, I remember you. I saw you for your PAP not that long ago. Yeah. So what's bringing you in today? Hopefully nothing too serious. Got some stuff going on down there. Okay, all right, cool. Yeah, you wouldn't believe how busy the clinic has been lately. Like we opened in like end of January, early February, and we have just like been providing so much education and care to the community. It's been amazing, wonderful. And now for a lot of individuals, a lot of the chief complaints that come in are people who have vaginal discharge concerns like recurrent BV or certain types of yeast. And you know, sometimes compound pharmacies are too expensive to get like boric acid suppository treatments to take with antibiotics. So today's visit in the video is actually sponsored by Boric Life by Nutriblast. You can find these products on Amazon, and what you do is you order these boric acid suppositories. If Leanna ever like prescribes it from a compound pharmacy and you can't access it or it's too expensive, you can find them on Amazon and get them for yourself. Now, of course, you only want to take these as prescribed, so the research says that they only are effective when taken with something like flagyl or metronidazole therapy. So the nice thing about Nutriblast boric acid suppositories on Amazon is they're obviously super affordable, but there's only boric acid in them. None of that extra additive stuff that maybe some of the other companies might sell, you know what I mean? Right, so Leanna the PA will tell you how to use these if you ever have like a recurrent BV problem. Exactly. You're going to hear a lot of people that use boric acid suppositories, but you definitely only want to take it as your provider kind of prescribes it. Yeah, and you can find the link in the video description. You already know. I know. Well, I know you are. I'm checking you in. And then let's get started on your vital signs, shall we? Cool. You've heard of people taking boric acid. Yeah, I'd say you definitely hear about it a lot on social media, but there's also a lot of misinformation out there as well. I'm not saying it's not always good for you, because it can be very beneficial, but just as your provider gives it. And of course, you cannot take it orally, by the way. Yeah. Yes, only vaginal. Right. So, I'll talk to you in a sec. Right, blood pressure is good. Now that we're in the room, as far as symptoms today, a very strong fishy odor. You noticed it after intercourse. Gotcha. The discharge is kind of a different color than what you're normally used to. Okay. And any itchiness, any swelling, burning when you pee? None of that. Is she active right now, or? Yeah, but the same partner. Okay. All right. Do you want any STI screening today, or you think you're... No? Okay. You're not having any pelvic pains, are you? Good. All right. That is seriously no problem. Totally respect that. Now, are you comfortable if Leanna does a pelvic exam today to take a look at that discharge? Okay. All right. Yeah. And you can definitely talk to her about it if you're not comfortable. So I am totally convinced that these temperature things like hate me because I feel like they just don't work anymore. Like the covered ones. Do you find that I'm always struggling now? Yeah, me too. All right, under the tongue. I don't know what this music is today, but we're vibing, we're going with it. All right, temp is good. No COVID symptoms, right? You're probably sick of this. Hey, I mean, I just like seeing you personally, so. Remind me how tall you are again. Alright, no changes to medical history. No changes to surgical history. Has this happened to you before? Speaking of BV, have you ever had BV? No? Okay. Have you used any new, like, scented products down there? Like Summer's Eve or anything? Maybe. Gotcha. Do you know how we feel about stuff like that? Yeah, you know. I know. It's hard because of the way they advertisement. It's like, wow, like, clean our vaginas, right? But you want to stay away from that stuff. Vagina's very self-cleansing, and I'm sure Leanna will throw all that information at you as well. I know. All right, well, let me grab this. So, I'm gonna have you get undressed waist down for me. Leanna, the PA, will be in. She'll take a look on the outside, pelvic exam internally as long as you're okay with it, and then we will do a vaginitis swab that will test for BV, yeast, as well as trichomonas. Absolutely. You always know it's a pleasure. I love seeing you. If you have any questions or concerns at checkout, you let me know. But otherwise, Leanna will be in, okay? Yes, keep top on. All right, perfect. See you later. Hi, really nice to see you. I know we've met before. Lee, the medical assistant, was just telling me how over the past couple days you sort of had this very odorous discharge. Kind of looks different than the normal discharge you're used to. Okay, and she was also telling me recently we've used new vaginal products down there. Okay, all right. I know she kind of talked to you about vulvar hygiene and stuff like that. Awesome, all right. Well, today, to be thorough, I would like to do a pelvic exam, if that is okay with you. I'm just going to look on the outside, make sure I don't see any lesions or anything like that. We'll take a look inside with the speculum, and then I will test you and do a vaginitis swab that includes testing for BV, yeast, as well as trichomonas. You're okay with that? Awesome. She was also telling me no new sexual partners, right? No burning when you pee. No itchiness or swelling. Okay, no problem. Easy enough. All right, and of course we will use the smallest speculum always. Yes. All right. So, if you wouldn't mind scooting down a little bit more for me. Perfect. You are going to feel my hands on the outside only. Absolutely nothing internal right now. That's okay with you? Okay. No pain when I'm pressing on these areas here, right? Good. All right, now we will do the internal assessment with the speculum. Exactly. We'll grab a small one. add some lubricant to this. So, you are probably going to feel the cold lubricant, okay? Awesome. You'll feel my hands are on the outside opening. You're gonna feel that lubricant in the speculum. Deep breath in for me. Very good. Are you doing okay? Awesome. All right. I do see that discharge you're talking about, but cervix looks very healthy. No polyps, no lesions on the cervix. We are going to take a vaginal swab sample here. Yes. All right. And I am actually going to put this swab sample under a microscope to see if we can get you some treatment today if I'm suspecting the right thing. Yeah? All right, we will look at that under the scope here in a second. Oh yes, I am not suspecting any sexually transmitted infection. I'm going to take this out. I am actually suspecting a very common vaginal infection called bacterial vaginosis, or BV. I just want to make sure there's no cervical motion tenderness or anything. Put some lubricant here. You will feel my hands. Yep, fingers here. Any pain when I do that? All right, very good. What I am going to do, I'm going to give you some privacy to get dressed for me. I'm going to go look under the microscope there, and I'm going to come back with you with the results. Yes, at least results for what I'm thinking of, but we'll send the remainder out to the lab. Absolutely. Okay, let me give you some privacy. We'll talk soon.